I'm here at 7995 Angel View Drive performing a roofing inspection. Coming up here, several workmanship issues that I'm seeing, especially right here on your ridge cap. These exposed nails should all be sealed up. So I actually brought some sealant with me. I'll take care of that while I'm up here, but they also overdrove these nails. So you can see where it's punctured the shingle here, and that's just poor workmanship, because now water can penetrate through here, and this is right at the pinnacle of your roof. So you definitely don't want water getting in here. But in terms of hail damage, you mentioned this vent over here, which is pretty beat up, but it's very thin, a thin gauge aluminum. So those tend to get beat up pretty easily. What I like to look at are these vents, because they're a little more heavy duty, and if it can damage these, then it can damage your roof. What I see a lot of is some of these oxidation marks. So you can see here the discoloration in the paint, but really no dents or dings. And this is an indicator of how big the hail was. So it's looking kind of like, you know, pea to dime size. We're typically needing 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 to 2 inches in order to actually damage a shingle. And so what Travelers does is they do a 10-foot by 10-foot test square on every single slope of your roof. They're looking for 8 hail strikes at least within that 100 square foot area. I found a few up here, but there's just not a ton of damage. I mean, you can see, you know, here's a hail bruise here, where it's actually blown the granules off and made an impression, but it's just not very significant. So I would suggest not filing a claim at this time. There's just not enough damage up here. The shingle still got life in it. I'm going to take care of some of these other workmanship issues, and give us a call in the future if you have any questions or concerns.